Hey guys, my name is Kainan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe and like to see more content. I got a lot more coming your way. So today, Samyang 85mm 1.4 lens for Sony EF mount just got out. It's supposed to be super quick and the price point is amazing. Like for $600 at B&H, almost cheaper than the 1.8 version from Sony, which we all know is a great version. So out of the box, it feels super light, and I'll show you how it looks. Wow guys, it feels super light in the hand. It takes a 77 filter in the front, 11 elements sorted into 8 groups, and 9 blade at the back. Pretty interesting. Like compared to the GM weighs like much more than this one. Let me just get back to you with the weight. It's like the difference is insane. So the GM goes for 900 grams with a filter at the front, and guess what? The Samyang goes for 600 grams, which is insane. It's a third less, you know, it's a third less at 1.4. I really hope this one, like the focusing will be great. It will catch the IAF. I will be testing it out on the A7R3 and on the A9 with the latest update, which is supposed to work great. It's all metal construction. It feels nice. Focusing ring goes smoothly. It doesn't feel like super cheap when you think about the price. It came with the docking station from Samyang, so I'll be able to sort out the speed for manual focusing, recalibrate it if necessary. So just stay tuned. I'll have more updates in the next week. 2 shoots coming up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.